Alright everybody, how we doing? It's Tyler from TH WebWorks. So today what we're going to do is go through a website that's currently under development using the Django Python backend framework, Bootstrap on the front, a bunch of JavaScript and a little bit of CSS. This is Fear and Passion Photography before it is unveiled to the world. We have some fun little effects going on here you can play with, works on a mobile device too. The purpose of this site is to have a simple backend that's customized to the owner to make everything simple to do, that you can do everything from a phone and just add some pictures and automatically generate all of his galleries, automatically make the URLs, just doesn't have to think about anything. He just uploads some images and everything is just done automatically. So the first thing we're going to do is take a look at the Lighthouse report to show what is going on this website. So as you see, we're in the mid 70s and 80s on our performance, accessibility, best practices, and SEO. This site would be a whole lot better if we could not have to wait 71 seconds to wait on one image to load because it's gigantic. This one image right here is 14 megabytes, and that's slowing our entire site down. What we've done is simulate a 4G network, and it's going to take forever to load. Nobody's ever going to look at this web page because it's going to take way too long to load. We have some little things to do, like touching up some links and putting in the HTTPS and securing the site for when it actually goes live and is connected to a domain and all that good stuff. In our SEO, we've got a few more things, a meta description to target some keywords, and we'll make this a progressive web app by the time it's all said and done. So if you see here, the web app meets installability requirements. Browsers can opt to add this app to their home screen. So somebody will be able to visit the site, say, hey, do you want to install Fear and Passion Photography on your home screen? They say yes, and it'll function just like a native app, all done through the magic of service workers and Python on the back end. So as we take a look at this, you have a nice little scrollable gallery for people who just want to sort through them quickly. Or we can do a lightbox. So again, this is all custom code. Some of this is pulled from open source, but the design, making everything work, all that, custom code. You'll be able to add his descriptions. The photographer is generated dynamically. I'll show you that on the back end. But if we book a shoot, it pulls over to a contact form that just loads real quick. Type in your message, boom, and converts people. We'll add more features as we go along, but again, this is still in development. So if we take a look at the administration side, Django comes with a standard back end that's very customizable, and you can do pretty much anything with it. But let's take a look at the core feature, these galleries. So you can put in your own photographer. So we can add one, we can make new photographers, but you can select who's the photographer. So that'll change who shows up over here. And that's all changed through right here. Title, description, location, shoot date, upload all of your photos. And you can choose whether this is published, whether it's featured, and save it, move on to the next one. But all that stuff dynamically generates the URLs, makes whatever number it is in the database is whatever URL it is up here. So it makes it easy to work with and easy to keep track of. And if we go back home, I set him up a client system. So when he books a shoot with somebody, he can just put in their name, email, phone number, address, all of that good stuff, and where they can deliver it. Have an admin area where they can go in and access everything. We can keep track of any contacts. Some guy named Tyler from TH WebWorks sent a message to test the live site, so you can go through and see any contacts that have come through. And you can have email notifications set up as well. This photo shoots needs to be removed because again, this is still in development. Not everything is right yet. And our photographers over here, we can take a look and add a photographer, their name, their description, city, photo, all their social IDs, web links, and those photographers again are going to show up over here. So if I made one of those Bobby Joe, had a different thing, different description, set of links, it would just automatically be done. You don't have to think about it. So again, this is a look under the hood of something that's in development. I don't think it's always a good idea to show people, oh, here's only a finished product, here's everything is perfect and done, and there's nothing ever wrong, because you're going to have to go through a process when you choose to do our custom code web development or even WordPress development. Everything doesn't just happen overnight, and there's a process to it. So also this illustrates just how important it is to just go through and be careful on what happens on your website. Are people being served gigantic images? Maybe that's a reason that people aren't staying and using your website, is because it takes too long to load. If you took a look at our promo video, you notice that most people expect things to load in 2 or 3 seconds, and if it's not loading in 3 seconds, you're pretty much dead in the water. If you take a look at our video of Indigo Army, that's basically a finished product. That's scoring almost perfect or perfect in every category, and is quick, fast, loads everywhere, and is just a well done site. But it's important for you to know that this is a process and we can go through it. So again, thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, be sure to comment and send us a link. Any of your information, put your website URL, your name, contact information. Me or somebody on our team will go through, do a video review of your site for free. So that's right on our TH WebWorks index page. As soon as you log in, you'll be able to see, to claim your offer, get a free Lighthouse report, have somebody come do a video, hey, this is the good, the bad, the ugly, and see where we go from there. And if you have any questions about custom development, be sure to either fill out that form or at the bottom of the page, take a look at our contact form and reach out to us about having a new website built. We do custom code, we just do static pages like the Indigo Army. We can do another Django project. It's a very powerful backend, makes things load really well, has a lot of extra functionality, and is exactly like you want it. We also do WordPress, Squarespace, all that good stuff. So again, this has been Tyler from TH WebWorks, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.